up? Yes! Now, you want to learn how to get a girl on you. You want to know how to get a girl, huh, homie? Well, homie, I'm going to show you how to get a girl, any girl, with these 5. I said 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Simple! Yes! Now, step 1, go up to the girl. Just walk up to her. All you do is walk up to her. 1, 1, 1, 1, walk up to her. You're done. Step 2, say, hey, what's up, Mo? Just say, what's up? Bam, you're done. Step 2. Step 3, ask her out. Yeah, I know, that simple. What's up, girl? Want to go out with me? Woo! Step 4, this is the important one. If she says yes, you're good. Go home, get ready, pick her up. That easy. If she says no, you want to go to your local Home Depot or Lowe's, get a shovel, some rope, some tape, you know, maybe like a, I don't know, what else? What else do you need? That's pretty much rope, duct tape, shovel. Go back to her, knock her out with a shovel, tie her up, put the duct tape over her mouth, put her in your trunk. Bam, you're good. Go home, go back to your house, and there you go. You got a free slave. How's that? Step 5. If she said yes, go into a date with her. If she said no, then if she's yours, you just kidnapped her.
Every day I imagine a picture where I can be with you.